This tutorial shows how to allow and block a program from accessing the internet in Windows 10 using Windows Firewall. I am going to block Mozilla Firefox from accessing the internet. Open Start menu. Type Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Windows Defender Firewall from the results. Select Advanced Settings from the left side. On the left pane you will see Inbound Rules and Outbound Rules. Select Inbound Rules. Then on the right side under Actions click on New Rule. Choose type of rule you would like to create. Am blocking a program from accessing the internet, so am going to choose Program. And click Next. Enter path of the program you want to block from accessing the internet. Right-click on Program Shortcut and select Properties. Under Shortcut tab next to Target you will see Program's path. Copy the link and paste it to Program Path box. Or browse for the program to block from your computer. And click Next. Under What action should be taken when a connection matches the specified condition? Choose Block the connection. And click Next. Under When does this rule apply, check or select all three options, Domain, Private and Public. And click Next. Give a name for the rule. Then go to Outbound Rules and create Outbound Rules following the same steps. As we can see, Mozilla Firefox cannot access the internet anymore. To undo that, go back to the rules, right-click and select Delete. Do that for both inbound and outbound rules. Now go back to the Mozilla Firefox and try to access the internet.